Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix Windows Bootrec / Fixboot access is denied problem. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Access is denied error in Bootrec / Fixboot. Type disk part. Star under GPT indicated the system per T1 type is GPT or UEFI. Type list vol. Select your system volume. Assign drive letter S. Type bcd boot space, Windows installed drive colan /Windows space, /s space, s colan space, /f space, all. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.